A gas cylinder of 5-liter capacity containing 4 kgs of helium gas at 27 degrees centigrade developed leakage leading to the escape of the gas into the atmosphere. If atmospheric pressure is 1 atmosphere, calculate the work done by the gas assuming ideal behavior. So if you take in this particular one, gas cylinder of 5-liter capacity containing 4 kg of helium gas at 27 degrees centigrade developed. So this is taken as V1 volume, initially 5 liters capacity. After leakage is developed due to the escape of gas into the atmosphere, what is the volume of the cylinder? We have to find V2 against the external pressure 1 atmosphere. So now let us first find out what is the volume of the gas. With respect to that, we can find the remaining thing. So first we'll find number of moles of the gas with the data provided, number of moles of gas, helium gas, number of moles of helium gas which is taken as N is equals to weight by molar mass of that substance. Mass by molar mass. Mass is given 4 kg, so 10 power 3. Molar mass is 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 10 power 3 moles we got. 10 power 3 moles. Now initial volume is given. What is given initial volume? Initial volume is given as 5 liters. Temperature is mentioned as 27 plus 273, which is equals to 300 Kelvin. Temperature is also mentioned. So can we find the final volume of this particular one with the data provided? Final volume V2 is equals to nRT by P. N is equals to 10 power 3. R value 0.0821. T value 300. By pressure is 1 atmosphere. Finding out this, we'll get 24,630 liters we get by calculation. So what is delta V will be equals to V2 minus V1, that is 24,630 minus 5, which is equals to 24,625 liters. Now what is the work done in an irreversible process against the constant pressure? This is minus of P into delta V, which is equals to minus 1 into delta V is 24625. That is equal, this is the data later atmosphere. Later atmospheres, which comes to be, I can write minus 24625. If I want to convert later atmospheres to joules, 101.3 joules. So multiplying this, you will be getting an answer minus 249451 point, sorry, 2.5 joules, which can be written as 3 decimals I can change here into kilojoules. If I write kilojoules, then I can write minus 2494.5 kilojoules. Up to 3 decimals I can move to write kilojoules. So the answer comes around 2494.5 kilojoules. So this will be the answer for example.